Let's explore the Contact Management module in Notifyy. This section helps you organize and manage all your customer data efficiently. Start with Manage Contacts. Here, all your saved contacts are listed in a table format. You can search, apply filters like name, number, or tags, and navigate through pages to handle even large contact lists with ease. Next is Contact Templates. This feature allows you to build a customized structure for your contacts. You can create new sections and drag in fields like text, number, drop-down, or checkbox. For example, you might add a customized section with the exact fields your business requires, making your contact data fully tailored to your needs. Then we have Upload Contacts. You can bulk import contacts using Excel or CSV files, and Notifyy supports up to 1 lakh contacts at a time. This makes it simple to migrate data from other CRMS or upload fresh leads in bulk. Finally, there are tags. Tags allow you to group contacts into categories such as VIP customers, new leads, or follow-up required. This helps you segment your audience and send targeted WhatsApp campaigns. That's the Contact Management module. With filters, custom templates, bulk uploads, and tags, you can manage your customers' contacts seamlessly and prepare for effective campaigns.